This was not foreseeable. A Bitcoin ETF approval and the efforts of BlackRock, a well-known brand in the cryptocurrency industry, contributed to a pleasant bull wave. Even if Shiba Inu's price tripled in March, the current situation doesn't seem promising. Has BlackRock simply switched sides? Today is a monumental day that will live on in history. BlackRock astonished the whole cryptocurrency world. Shiba Inu is in danger. Coinbase is working to make things better, and Shoshi Kusama has even spoken out. There is something really amazing going on in the cryptocurrency world right now. But what's really happening? Even so, what am I trying to say? Let me clarify. Asterisk, asterisk, warning, asterisk, asterisk. We're going to start today with some startling news that has been making the rounds online, something that nobody anticipated. The BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF said yesterday that it had sold $13.5 million worth of Bitcoin. It's surprising everyone because this is only the second time they've ever encountered negative flows. This appears to be quite unsettling. There may be repercussions for the entire market if a major participant like BlackRock begins to sell off. When investors notice this, they become concerned. Is there anything BlackRock knows that the rest of us don't? Is this an indication of problems to come? People are already anxious due to the uncertainty, particularly in a market as volatile as cryptocurrency. Therefore, it makes sense why this news is making such a big fuss. To put this in perspective, the market has been significantly impacted by the 9 days in a row that we have seen withdrawals from the Ethereum ETF. If you have been following the charts, you have undoubtedly seen how erratic the movements have been, not only for Ethereum but for nearly all other tokens as well. The price of Shiba Inu in particular has fluctuated wildly. Shiba Inu is very sensitive to news about ETFs, as we all know, and the previous few days have been no exception. Many people were taken aback by the price fluctuations, which have been everywhere. Positively, nevertheless, most people are accustomed to Shiba Inu's unexpected nature. For some traders, it's part of what makes it so thrilling and part of its character. The latest swings, however, have been more surprising than normal even by those criteria. However, it's noteworthy to note that the Bitcoin ETF held quite steady during 9 days of non-stop outflows, whereas the Ethereum ETFs struggled. Bitcoin's stability, primarily provided by BlackRock, has been a lifesaver and has kept the market from plunging further. Undoubtedly, the news of 9 days of Ethereum ETF withdrawals is unsettling and has alarmed many investors. However, the Bitcoin ETF's resilience has been a vital safety net. Bitcoin's performance has the most influence and domination over the whole altcoin market since it remains the most valuable cryptocurrency asset. Therefore, its stability prevented things from getting out of control by absorbing the impact for the rest of the market. Now, however, things have changed. BlackRock sold off $13.5 million yesterday, revealing that the Bitcoin ETF has joined in on the madness. The Bitcoin ETF has only had a negative flow twice in its history. This is quite unfortunate in light of the current circumstances. Given that Ethereum is already having trouble with constant withdrawals, it is significant that Bitcoin is now exhibiting signs of fragility. It prompts worries that the market may see even greater volatility and uncertainty. It's a clue that things may grow even more unstable in the future when the most dependable and well-known asset in the cryptocurrency space begins to falter. Some folks are still bullish in spite of everything. Someone posted a thought-provoking tweet. They are arguing that the market is not necessarily doomed despite BlackRock's negative flows. Perhaps it's the stillness before a big change, or it might simply be a minor hiccup. They're implying that although things appear uncertain at the moment, there may be a chance for a significant change to occur later. Furthermore, this Twitter user may be close to the truth. We discover something quite intriguing when we turn our attention back to Ethereum and examine BlackRock. Thanks to BlackRock, Ether ETF flows have gone positive for the first time in 2 weeks. Considering the circumstances, this is a surprising plot twist. The Ethereum ETF unexpectedly experiences a positive change at a time when everyone was concerned about the outflows and the possibility of a market decline. It's surprising, particularly in light of the recent negative press that has surrounded Ethereum and Bitcoin. However, many individuals continue to think that the current downward trend in Bitcoin is, in their opinion, not encouraging. They might also be correct. The problem is not simply the negative flow per se, but the fact that it is coming directly from BlackRock and that this is only the second time it has ever occurred. Given the speed at which this information is flowing, a difficult situation may result. Panic may break out when more individuals learn about it, and the market may become much more volatile. Investor confidence is sometimes shaken when a major entity like BlackRock takes a step like this, which might make the days ahead even more unpredictable. However, this is when the intriguing part begins. People frequently take all necessary precautions to try to stop their beloved cryptocurrency projects from collapsing again when they become aware that it may be about to happen. It makes sense. Investors and fans act to support the market because they don't want to see their money lose value. Now let's get started. Unexpectedly, 96 billion Shiba Inu tokens were burned in a single transaction by an unidentified wallet that came from Coinbase. As usual, Shib, a community-driven burn tracker for Shiba Inu, swiftly became aware of this significant transaction and brought it to light in an expose today. The Shiba Inu's burn rate increased by an astounding 28,000% as a result of this action. Even more interesting is the fact that the wallet had not been used for 154 days prior to this transaction. Prior to abruptly causing this large fire, its most recent activity was noted on March 28, 2024. Although the cause of this burn is yet unknown, given the state of the market, it might be a conscious effort to keep Shiba Inu's price stable and avoid a crash. Given the power of the Shiba Inu community, investors are fed up with the price dropping frequently. This abrupt action by a dormant wallet could be a calculated attempt to support the price. After all, even a long silent player could help out when things seem uncertain in a community this fervent. But will the market be stabilized by this effort? Time will tell. However, Shiba Inu has more significant news today than that. The addition of Shiba Inu as a collateral asset for futures trading by Kraken, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange, was recently announced. To put it simply, this implies that traders can now use Shiba Inu as a security when trading Kraken futures contracts. This is significant because it demonstrates that Shiba Inu is valued as an asset by a major exchange. Support from a major exchange like Kraken increases Shiba Inu's visibility and legitimacy, so it's an optimistic indication. It might draw in more traders and investors, which could raise prices and stabilize the market. Fans of Shiba Inu, including Shoshi Kusama, the company's chief developer, are excited about this news. He posted a halo emoji and a smiley face in response to the announcement, indicating that he views this as a step in the right direction for Shiba Inu's future. Kusama's response suggests that he thinks this measure might improve Shiba Inu's performance in the long run by increasing its demand and visibility. Since Shiba Inu has been around for a while and has previously been supported by a number of exchanges, this is particularly important. Kusama has responded directly to this most recent development, though, which gives the news more significance and optimism. The whole cryptocurrency world is currently holding its breath, wondering what will happen next. Together with its chief developer, the Shiba Inu community is trying to maximize the situation and get ready for whatever happens next. Everyone is keeping a careful eye on things, curious to see how these developments would impact the market. However, what do you think about that? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. Make sure to click on one of the videos displayed on the screen if you're interested in learning more. Consequently, this concludes the video. Please remember to leave a comment in the comment section and like this video if you liked it. When it comes to the YouTube algorithm, this is incredibly helpful. Additionally, please spread the word about this video to as many people as you can. Let's spread the word about this.